Hello everybody, so it's me again in front of the camera, and Jeff is holding the camera this time around. So this is the step before the boiling. You know, you already watched the boiling, so this is the step before it in order to get the bundle. So this is just a little bundle. I'm taking off the take, so the butt end, roughly where it joins to the actual leaf, and I do this for the whole bundle, and then I split the leaves. Right, so I've taken the take off of all of them. It's only a little bundle anyway. And now I've got my trusted marker. And I just kind of divvy up wherever I want to how many I get out of this. And sort of put little holes in. I do not tend to go all the way through. It's just, I think it shreds it too much. And then I just loosen the sides and the midrib. Put it like so, and that's as far as I go in this step. So grab a smaller one where we don't get as many. See, if I put it like this, it gets very narrow on the sides and the middle, so I probably make it more in the middle and in the middle here, so I get 4 strips out of this one, 4 fenu. Here you go. And so on and so forth. Right, and so now we've done that step. I only ever do them in steps. I don't do everything all at once. So it's just the way I've been taught. Now I just split the rest of these. Right. And then I personally cut the tips off. Some people leave them on, I cut them off. And then at the bottom, I cut those off, nice and straight. Rightio. So that's them, and then when I have done all of them, I roux them so they get dropped into their different length, bundle them at the top, and then they're ready for boiling. That's the video we did the other day. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, let me know. But really, it's not really that difficult. Oh, and I don't, I personally, I don't hairpin these before boiling because I work from home, so I've got time to watch them. But the majority of you probably would want to hairpin them at this stage now and then boil them. So you don't have to watch them like a hawk when they're drying. So that's pretty much the way we process our fenu.